Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Viv and today I'm gonna be doing like a sunset design. For this design I'm gonna start and apply Royal Silk Satin from the Pearly collection, and then I'm gonna put some Coral Crush from Luminous collection, then Atomic Tangerine, and final I pick the color Hazard, and with the ombre brush I'm gonna mix the color together, and so I will have my sunset effect. And we're going to cure for 10 seconds. You can use the palette, and pick one of each color and place it like that. Clean your brush between each color. A little tricks: if you're afraid to touch the cuticle with the gel polish, use a detail brush like I do, and so you have your clean cuticle area, and then take the brush, the classic one, and fill the rest of the nail with it. And flash cure for 10 seconds. Perfect the ombre effect with a second coat and mix the color together. And flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna use Serious Black to do the silhouette. I'm going to do some palms tree. Make sure to cap the free edge. To do the palm tree, I just press the color and pull down. And for the thumb, I'm gonna create like the sunset effect. And I'm gonna add some seagulls. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm just going to add some seagulls over there as well. And cure for 10 seconds. Now we're going to seal in the design with Urban Graffiti top coat. And a final cure for 60 seconds. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below as usual. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. And until next time, I said au revoir.